Hi everyone, my name is Heather Breedlove. I'm a top contributor in the Google for Education forums, and I'm also a digital learning coach at Seoul Foreign School in Seoul, South Korea. And I'm going to be talking to you today about all the new features in Google Classroom. As you can see, up at the top we have Stream, Classwork, and People. And today we're going to be looking at what is different in each of those. And so right now in the stream, you can simply click here to share something with your class. On the classwork page, you can use the Create button to create an assignment, question, material, reuse a post, or topic. You would use material for something that doesn't need a due date, and it is a resource for your classroom. You can attach a topic, and click on Post. Don't forget, you can also click the three dots to simply organize your topics either up or down. Clicking on the People section, you can invite a co-teacher, email all guardians, and invite students. In the top right-hand corner, click on the gear to edit the settings for the class. You can edit your class information, display your code to your students, choose posting and commenting permissions, and enable guardian summaries. Down towards the bottom left with the question mark, you can click on that to send the team feedback for new feature requests or ask a question and get help. Also, you can remove the classwork page. When you remove the classwork page, it removes the organization with materials. But the good news is, once you remove the classwork page, you can also click the question mark and add classwork page back. Hope you have a great time with the new features in Google Classroom.